Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel dedicated to dreams. On this channel, you'll find videos that will help you use your dreams, to live your daily life better. In fact, your dreams can help you, for example, in your job search to ease, conflicts to manage health problems, or even to avoid. They can help you better organize your travels. They can also allow you to see certain aspects of your future. You're going to discover a whole range of aspects of dreams that people usually don't think about. I invite you to visit my website to discover my approach to working with dreams. It's a very, very unique way. Since I have been researching for a very long time the connections between dreams and reality, and about how human beings function in the interconnection between dreams and reality. This has allowed me to develop some very useful techniques that you too can take advantage of it to improve your daily life. So I'd like to invite you to join me again very soon in upcoming videos. And in the meantime, I wish you wonderful dreams. Thank you for listening, and see you soon. Goodbye.